Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe. In this quick video I just want to show you how you can reset your Technics AZ100s to their factory settings. So in order to do this you need to access the Technics Audio Connect app. Got the home screen up here, nice and ready, and in order to do this you need to press the settings button in the bottom right. Once you've done that you want to scroll down to pretty much the bottom of the list. It's in the help section and you want to select the option there that says headphone information. Click that option. You're then met with a lot of different information about the model number and the firmware options, but it's this last option here which is the one we want, which says restore headphones to the factory settings. Click that. It brings up a confirmation message here. It is worth noting when you reset this, it will disconnect the headphones from your Bluetooth device. So you'll have to sort of restart the app again and pair your headphones to the Technics app again. But you press reset and you get a message there that says resetting. Headphones have been reset. To use headphones, they need to be paired with the device. And you can see there, it takes you back to a screen where you can add the headphones again. Meanwhile, the headphones themselves have been restored to their factory settings. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.